Have you always wanted beautiful indoor plants, but worry you'll accidentally kill them? You're definitely not alone. The good news is that many houseplants are incredibly forgiving and can thrive even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you live in a small apartment, a busy household, or an office with limited sunlight, there's a perfect plant waiting for you. In today's video, we'll explore 10 amazing indoor plants that are easy to grow, require very little maintenance, and can instantly make your home feel greener and more inviting. Stay until the end, because our final plant is one of the toughest and most rewarding houseplants you can own. Plant number 1, snake plant. The snake plant is one of the easiest indoor plants you can grow, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Its tall, upright leaves add a modern touch to any room, while requiring very little care. This hardy plant tolerates low light, bright, indirect light, and even occasional neglect. It only needs watering every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your home's temperature and humidity. Snake plants are also known for helping improve indoor air quality by filtering certain pollutants. Place one in your bedroom, living room, or office, and you'll enjoy a stylish, low-maintenance plant that continues looking beautiful throughout the year with minimal effort. Plant number 2, Pothos. Pothos is famous for its beautiful trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves that brighten any indoor space. It's one of the fastest-growing houseplants and adapts well to many lighting conditions, from low light to bright, indirect sunlight. Even if you forget to water it occasionally, Pothos usually bounces back quickly. You can grow it in hanging baskets, on shelves, or let it climb a moss pole for an eye-catching display. Another great benefit is how easy it is to propagate. Simply place a cutting in water, and before long, you'll have a brand new plant to share with friends or expand your indoor garden. Plant number 3, Peace Lily. If you want a plant that offers both lush green foliage and elegant white flowers, the peace lily is a fantastic option. It thrives in medium to low light and lets you know when it's thirsty by gently drooping its leaves, making watering surprisingly easy. After a good drink, it quickly perks back up. Peace lilies also appreciate moderate humidity, making them perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. Their graceful appearance adds a calm, relaxing atmosphere to any space. With simple care and occasional feeding during the growing season, this beautiful plant will reward you with healthy growth and stunning blooms. Plant number 4, ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is often called the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it houseplant because it thrives with very little attention. Its glossy dark green leaves give it a sleek, modern appearance that looks great in any home or office. Thanks to its underground rhizomes, the ZZ plant stores water efficiently, allowing it to survive weeks without watering. It also grows well in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rooms with limited natural sunlight. Water only when the soil is completely dry. Avoid overwatering, and occasionally wipe the leaves clean to keep them shiny and healthy all year long. Plant number 5 is spider plants. Are loved for their graceful arching leaves and adorable baby plantlets, often called spiderettes, that dangle from long stems. They are incredibly easy to care for and grow well in bright, indirect light, although they can also adapt to lower light conditions. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, and avoid letting the plant sit in soggy soil. As it matures, your spider plant will produce more babies that can easily be propagated into new plants. It's a fun, rewarding plant that quickly fills your home with fresh greenery and charm. Plant number 6. Jade Plant. The jade plant is a beautiful succulent known for its thick, fleshy leaves and long lifespan. With proper care, it can grow into a miniature tree, becoming a stunning centerpiece in your home. Jade plants prefer bright, indirect sunlight and only need watering when the soil has dried completely. Because they store water in their leaves, overwatering is their biggest enemy. Regular pruning encourages a fuller, bushier shape and stronger branches. Many people also consider the jade plant a symbol of prosperity and good fortune, making it a popular gift for new homes and businesses. Plant number 7 is Chinese Evergreen. Chinese Evergreen is one of the most colorful and adaptable indoor plants available. Its attractive leaves come in shades of green, silver, pink, and red, adding vibrant beauty to any room. This plant performs exceptionally well in low to medium light and doesn't require constant attention. Water when the top layer of soil feels dry, and avoid exposing it to cold drafts. Chinese Evergreen grows steadily and maintains its attractive foliage throughout the year. For beginners who want an easy care plant with eye-catching colors, this is an excellent choice that brings lasting elegance indoors. Plant number 8, Cast Iron Plant. True to its name, the cast iron plant is famous for its incredible toughness. It tolerates low light, inconsistent watering, dust, and even occasional neglect, without losing its attractive appearance. Its deep green, sword-shaped leaves create a clean and elegant look that complements almost any decorating style. Water moderately, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Because it grows slowly, it rarely needs repotting and remains manageable for many years. If you're looking for a nearly indestructible houseplant that thrives where others struggle, the cast iron plant is an outstanding choice. Plant 9 is Heartleaf Philodendron. Heartleaf Philodendron is a timeless favorite, thanks to its cascading vines and glossy, heart-shaped leaves. It's easy to grow, adapts well to different indoor environments, and thrives in bright, indirect light or partial shade. Water when the top inch of soil becomes dry, and trim long vines occasionally to encourage fuller growth. This versatile plant looks beautiful in hanging baskets, on bookshelves, or climbing a support pole. It also propagates easily from stem cuttings, making it simple to grow new plants. Its lush foliage creates a warm, tropical atmosphere in any living space. Plant number 10, Rubber Plant. The rubber plant is perfect for beginners who want a bold statement plant with minimal maintenance. Its large, glossy leaves make it an eye-catching addition to living rooms, offices, or entryways. Rubber plants thrive in bright, indirect sunlight and prefer the soil to dry slightly before watering again. Rotate the pot every few weeks to encourage even growth, and gently wipe the leaves to remove dust and keep them shining. With consistent care, this plant can grow into a tall indoor tree that becomes a stunning focal point while adding natural beauty to your home. Those are our top 10 best indoor plants for beginners in 2026. Whether you're starting your very first indoor garden or adding new greenery to your collection, these plants are beautiful, easy to care for, and perfect for almost any home. Remember, every great plant parent starts with a single plant and learns through experience. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest indoor gardening tips, plant care guides, and home decor inspiration. Happy planting!